Good Friday, everyone. We're at the culmination of a complete week of school here. First week to see all of our students back in school on the AB schedule, and might I say it's been an outstanding week. It's been a very emotional week all across the board, even emotional as getting eyes watered on a few occasions as we see our kids come back to school, and they're so happy to be at school. I guess that's the thing I would say that probably took me back more than anything, is just to see the jubilation on the faces of our children as they're coming back to school. So a great week in Davis County to get us started and moving ahead, try to onboard all of our students on the AB schedule in the weeks to follow, because we've had a lot of people doing their respective roles and then going the extra mile. And this group I'm getting ready to mention is part of our appreciation that we recognize groups of individuals across Davis County Public Schools for the work that they do, the incredible valuable work that they do. In this particular episode, we're going to recognize our custodial staff, our maintenance staff, as well as our computer operations staff. And wow, just the body of work this week that I know took place well ahead of that, with moving furniture, cleaning, providing supplies from the tech department, just solving all kinds of tech problems, operating in a digital environment, and our maintenance crews making sure everything is working properly, from water fountains to water bottles to HVAC systems, just making sure that everything is flowing as well as it can. So that group of individuals, imagine trying to do this work without them. And so we couldn't. We know that. In the lunchroom, cleaning the tables in between groups of kids coming in, just it goes on and on. But it's the dedication that this group of individuals have displayed that's worthy of appreciation and recognition, and that's what we're doing here today. But the schools I've been able to visit, I've made a point to make sure I see these individuals and say thank you for the valued work that you do, because you're all important. Our message this year is better together, and it could not be a better message, in my opinion, that displays what we all have to do. We do have to be better together, but thank goodness that's what we're seeing all across the board in Davis County Public Schools. And with that, I say to all of you, thank you for going the extra mile. I know everyone is working at beyond 100% capacity. You're giving us your very best, and we say thank you for that. And then a special hats off today to our custodial staff all across Davis County Public Schools, our maintenance department, all those employees, and certainly all of our computer operations staff. Thank you for the incredible work that you do. We sure do appreciate you. Thank you so much.
Thank you for all your hard work and dedication and the support of the staff and students at Davis County Public Schools. I appreciate all the hard work, especially in the last few months. We've had to approach our jobs with a different mindset, but you all have risen to the challenge and continue to perform at a high level. Again, thank you for everything you do. It's greatly appreciated.
I just want to take this opportunity to say thank you to the amazing technology team in Davis County Schools. They've worked long, hard hours over the last 6 months, making sure as much technology as possible is available for our students during these strange times. Thanks a lot, guys.
The Davis County Public School maintenance crew is second to none, and I'd like to take this time to truly thank you for keeping a safe, clean, and manicured learning environment for our students and staff, even under these unique circumstances, and constantly supporting the Kids First culture. Thank you.